Now your website is okay from some perspective, which is we are checking whether the website is up or down, whether server is okay, whether SSL certificate is okay, whether response time is okay or not. But is that enough? No. If you have WordPress site, we need to go a little bit deeper because sometimes, so you can see there are few incidents. I will come to that later. But if you did not have a secure login, if you did not hide your login, you can see hackers are using our username and password and trying to log into our website in here every minute or two. So here there is a little bit of time gap. When I go to the WordPress site, I will show you how frequently it's happening. This it's a little bit old data right now. So here your website is getting a lot of failed logging attempts. And if I download this, you can see there are numerous logging attempts and people are trying different usernames. And I here I tried, they have tried few employees who used to work with us. So they are no longer working with us, but still they are trying their email addresses here. So someone has done their research and trying to hack into a website at the moment. See, there are about, let's check, wow, that's a lot. So in order to record this, we have removed our login plugin, the securing plugin, and there are about 7,000 login attempts. People are trying to, hackers are trying to log into our website. So here, you need to be aware of how secure your login is. That's what we're offering here. And then, if you have a e-commerce website, probably if you have WordPress, you need to install WooCommerce to get that feature. And you need to check what has happened in last 10 transactions. If there are a lot of failed orders, you need to check what's happening. You need to talk to your developer and ask him whether payment gateway is responding okay, whether there are any problem. So here you can see that. And then in security perspective, WordPress, they are always giving you updates. If there are any security updates, performance features, all of those enhancements you need to be aware of, that is available. So here you can see our WordPress is up to date. And then in order to get features, your developers are using plugins. So here we have booking calendar, contact form 7, custom post type, etc. So you can see what is the current version, what is the latest version, whether there are any updates or not. So here you instantly you can see everything is up to date. And the next thing is WordPress theme. If you have WordPress theme, you need to make sure you downloaded the latest theme files and you're up to date. Otherwise, if you do not have latest WordPress themes, latest plugins, or WordPress versions, you are vulnerable. If there are security updates, you need to make sure your developer applies those security updates to your website. And the last thing, we check how is your website core files integrity. That means when you install a CMS called WordPress, hackers sometimes go and update the main files of your WordPress. And whenever someone visits your website, those files get executed and people might be seeing all of those spammy messages. We are checking whether the original files are there in your server or not. And if there are any modified files, it will be visible here. And if there are any missing files, it will be shown here. So you need to be aware of all of that things, and you cannot do that every day. You might, when you start your website, you might able to do that, but if you are an agency, if you have hundreds of websites, you can't do that. So that is what we are offering: peace of mind in autopilot mode.